Hey beauties, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I am the Digital Beautypreneur and I'm all about beauty, self-love, and securing that financial freedom. I just got my package from Africa Imports and y'all know I had to bring you along for the unboxing. Plus, I will be revealing some of my secret ingredients that takes my beauty formulas to the next level. So stay tuned. Okay, let's get into this unboxing. First of all, everything in this package is packed and I'm excited to see everything that I ordered. And as I go through each item, I will give you a small description. As I open it up, here we have the Dead Sea Sponge, which is a great way to exfoliate and remove dead skin cells. Next, I have the Sea Moss Cleanser, which is something new, so I'm excited to try this cleanser. Next is the 7 Power Oil Hair Treatment that I will be using on my daughter's hair. Next, we have the Olive Oil Hair and Body, which is good for moisture and healing. Next, we have the Sunflower Seed Oil, which is high in vitamin E, great for your skin. Then we have the Grapeseed Oil, which helps tighten your pores. Then we have Soursop Bitters, which helps boost your immune system and detoxify your body. Then we have the Aloe Butter, which is a mixture of coconut oil and aloe leaf powder. Jojoba oil is next, which is a natural oil. We have the Rosehip Oil, good for increasing your moisture. We have the Aloe Vera Healing Oil, which helps reduce eczema and scar symptoms. We have Argan Oil, which heals and tones dry and damaged skin. And we have Avocado Oil, which softens and dry irritated skin packed with a bunch of vitamins. And these are all my secret ingredients that I use to make my Healing Balm Shea Butter. If you tried any one of these, let me know in the comments, and hope you guys enjoyed this video, and thank you so much for watching. Bye.